Join the Philippine National Police. Fight drugs and save lives. The PNP is at war with illegal drugs. Any person involved in illegal drugs is an enemy. If you are against illegal drugs, join the war. We need your help and support to defeat illegal drugs. The PNP believes that it will prevail and will win the war against illegal drugs. Know the health risks. Control substances abuse and its effects. Marijuana. Marijuana smoke is carcinogenic and damages the respiratory system. It may impair short-term memory and comprehension, alter sense of time, and reduce coordination and motivation. Long-term users may develop psychological dependence. Cocaine. Short-term effects include paranoia, constriction of blood vessels leading to heart damage or stroke, irregular heartbeat, and death. Cocaine use may lead to death through disruption of the brain's control of heart and respiration. Heroin. Overdose may result in death from decreased breathing because heroin is usually injected, often with dirty needles. Use of drug can trigger other health complications, including destruction of your heart valves, HIV/AIDS, infections, tetanus, and botulism. Methamphetamine, also known as meth, crank, ice, speed, crystal, shabu. Effects include heart attacks, dangerously high blood pressure, and stroke. Other long-term effects include paranoia, hallucinations, weight loss, destruction of teeth, and heart damage. Anabolic steroids. Steroid use can cause physical and psychological side effects, including acne, liver cancer, sterility, aggressive behavior, and depression. Other effects include jaundice, discoloration of the skin, swelling of feet or lower legs, trembling, and bad breath. Ecstasy. Long-term use may cause damage to the brain's ability to regulate sleep, pain, memory, and emotions. Ketamine, also called Special K or K, can impair memory and attention. Higher doses can cause amnesia, paranoia and hallucinations, depression, and difficulty breathing. LSD and hallucinogenic mushrooms can cause hallucinations, numbness, nausea, and increased heart rate. User may experience panic, confusion, suspicion, anxiety, and loss of control. Long-term effects include unwarranted flashbacks and psychosis. The use of illegal drugs can cause seemingly rational people to become irrational and violent. They may even hurt their own family, friends, and the people around them. They may commit violent crimes as a result of intoxication and hallucination or as a means of obtaining money to finance their habits.
Paano kaibigan ng droga dapat iwasan? Kung ayaw mong masira ang iyong kinabukasan, marami ng parami ang nalulong na kabataan ng droga sa ating Pinas. Kailan ba to matitigilan? Ano bang napapala sa kakahigop ng bato? Lalo ka lang dyan lulubog at masisira buhay mo, at ang mga pangarap mo ay malabo mong maabot kung di mo titigilan ang pinagbabawal na gamot. Hindi droga ang sagot sa dinadalang problema. Magbanat ka ng puto, hindi yun lagi kang asa. Hindi pa huli ang lahat upang ikay magbagong buhay. Nandiyan lang ang ating Diyos, handa sa'yo na gumabay. Huwag mong sayangin ang iyong buhay na bigay ng itaas. Sa sumpong larang hintayin na maligaw ka na landas. Habang may panahon ka pa, ang droga ay iwasan mo. Huwag mo nang hintayin ang araw, pagsisiyan pa ito. Pagsisiyan pa ito. Droga ay iwasan. Huwag mong hayaan na ikay mapapayaan. Huwag mong hayaan na ikaw ay mahulog sa droga na pinagbabawal at ikaw ay malulong. Droga ay iwasan. likuran mo. Aking mga kaibigan, ano ang kalagayan? Bakit marami nang nalululong na kabataan? Sila'y nagtipon-tipon at tabang nag-aambagan. Pag hindi nagkasundo sila nagpapatayan. Para sa akin masakit pag nakikita ko kayo nagnanako ng uhod, masingot lang ang bato. At lahat ng paraan ginagawa Upangan tama ng bato sa katawan niya, di na mawala. Hanggat may pagkakataon, umahon sa pagkabaon. Magsumikap, magtiis, gabay mo ang Panginoon. Dahil hindi mawawala problema mong pasan-pasan. Hanggat hindi ka nagbabago, yan ang pakatandaan. Himutin mo ang nagdaan, ang droga ay iyong iwasan. Sa mundo natin to, kailan may di natin kailangan. Laging mananatili sa puso mo at isipan. Ang droga masama yan, masama sa kalusugan.
Alam ko marami sa inyo nalulong sa shabu dahil kulang kayo sa komunikasyon kay Lord. Nakakalimutan na ninyo kung may kapal. Panahon na ito para bumalik kayo kay Lord. Magdasal kayo palagi, magsimba kayo, at reconnect with the Lord. Walang ibang pupuntahan. Kahit anong gagawin mo dyan, rehabilitation, kung empty pa rin yung puso mo, ang puso mo ay walang laman, emptiness inside your heart, ang pagkukulang na yan, yung connection mo with the Lord, babalik at babalik pa rin kayo sa shabu. Dapat ngayon, mag-start na kayo magdasal, pumunta sa simbahan, at kausapin si Lord, na Lord, sana, tulungan niyo po kami hindi na babalik sa aming dating gawin. Kahit nagutom na kami, hindi talaga ako magbibinta na ng shabu. Bahala na. Maghanap na ako ng paraan. Hindi na ako mabalik sa shabu. Ayos ba tayo?
Get involved with the PNP's campaign against illegal drugs. If you have information about some personalities who engage with this business, you may report to RPSB9 hotline number 0975-226-1682 or email us at pcrrpsb9@yahoo.com.ph. Or if you are hooked to these addictive drugs, please allow your PNP to help you reform and change your life before it's too late. We assure you of your safety. Be a part of change.